How long does a presale clean take?
The duration of a presale clean in Melbourne depends on your home's size, condition, and how many areas need attention. In general, most presale cleans take between 5 and 10 hours with 2 or more professional cleaners working together for efficiency and thoroughness. General time. Estimates: small apartments 5 to 6 hours with 2 cleaners equals 10 to 12 cleaning hours. 3 to 4 bedroom houses 7 to 10 hours. Larger homes or properties with outdoor areas 10 to 15 plus hours. We recommend allowing a full day for larger homes, especially if you've had recent painting, trades, or styling done. If you're adding on steam cleaning, window washing, or pressure cleaning, this may extend the total job duration, but we'll always provide you with a clear estimate before confirming. Pro tip: schedule your presale clean at least 24 to 48 hours before photos or the first open house, so your home stays fresh and pristine without last-minute stress.